Assalamu alaikum dear student. I hope you all will be doing well. Today once again I am here with one of the most important lecture that is about IELTS. Let me tell you that we are going to start free IELTS course on our social media, right? On your YouTube and Facebook account, right? So this will be the lecture 1 of IELTS course. This is highly demanded and the most important course regarding English, specifically for those who are going to go abroad for scholarship or study for their higher study. So therefore for their higher study, IELTS is the only way, the only path that they can take to get over there. So without wasting your time, I would like to directly start the course, and this is the lecture number 1. And in this lecture we will try to understand the basic term. This is just introductory lecture about IELTS. First thing is, what is mean by IELTS? For what this thing basically stands for. So keep in mind that IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System, right? And this is just its abbreviation, the short form of all of these. From that things, one thing is clear, that this is not basically any type of course, but this is just a testing system, International English Language Testing System. Now the question is, why this test has been conducted? The answer is simple. This has been conducted just to check what? To check the English proficiency, to check the English language proficiency of non-native speaker. Of what? Non-native speaker. By non-native speaker, I mean that those people whose first language is not English, right? So therefore, in order to check the English proficiency of non-native speaker, those who are going to settle over there in the English-speaking country, or those who are going for higher study, so therefore this test has been essential for them, necessary for all of them to take this test. After that, on the basis of their band scale, their score will be calculated. Now the next thing is, who created this test? This is the basic thing. Answer is simple. Basically we all know that the Cambridge University is responsible for it. Cambridge University basically created this test. But the big confusion for all of the students is that what about British Council and IDP? Let me clarify this thing for all of you, that Cambridge University created this test, but it give the responsibility of this test to IDP Education, and in partnership with British Council. And they both are basically, those are organizations which they take the responsibility of the test. Check the responsibility of this test, right? So it means that, and both of them are basically equal. They have equal responsibility and doing same work, same job, right? And they both are active in many countries, including in our country, Pakistan too. So created by Cambridge, and the responsibility of conducting this test has been given to British Council and IDP, right? So they all are very active and present in every country, I think. So from this thing we can say that, as it has been created by Cambridge University, so in IELTS there will be 60 to 80% of the English and accent will be British accent, right? We can conclude this thing from it. Even though it is true that the accent in the IELTS listening part is basically the mixture of all the accent, right? All the accent. but most portion, the most portion, major portion of this is basically British accent. So question is, why IELTS is important? What is the importance of taking IELTS test? Why people are doing preparation for it? So there are a lot of importance. Among all of them, the first one is that, as we all know, that it is highly, it is highly regarded, and it has been trusted. It has been trusted by, trusted by 12,000, more than 12,000 organization in approximately 140 countries. And many governments, like the government of Australia, Canada, UK, New Zealand, right, and US, all they accepted in demanding IELTS test to go over there and to get over there. The second thing is, as it is, highly regarded and highly demanded test worldwide. It is, highly regarded test and highly recognized test worldwide.